Dear students, your third equation of exercise 2.1 is write down binomial of 35 degree and the monomial of 100 degree. Correct? In a polynomial, plus and minus sign works as a separator. If there is no any plus or minus, polynomial will be monomial, that is single term. Clear? 3x cube y by z. This is monomial. There is no any plus or minus present. Is a monomial. Right? In three variable x, y, z. If there is one plus or one minus, there will be two terms. One separator, two term. Two separator, three term. Here is a monomial of 100 degree. You can choose any variable x, y, z, u, v, w, p, any coefficient. But degree must be 100. It is given. Write down a monomial of 100 degree. Correct? For binomial, there must be a separator, either plus or minus. You can take any coefficient, any symbol for variable. Clear? But highest power must be 35. Clear? In my definition of polynomial, I stated that an cannot be 0, but all other may be 0, may not be 0. So for 35 degree, to write down binomial of 35 degree, x power 35 is must. Other power, no need to write. You can write any power of x, but only one more term. Not other terms, only more term 1. I have written here minus, you can put as plus. This is also your answer. Answer of such type question may be infinite. Clear? This is another answer. This is another answer. All are answer of same. Because highest power is still 35, there are two terms, one separator. This is also answer of same question. This is a binomial, clear, of 35 degree. This is monomial of 100 degree. Clear? If you write three terms like 3x cube plus 4x plus y, this is a trinomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Tri means 3. Clear? After 3 terms, we simply say that polynomial. Poly means hairs are like polyvitamin. Polyvitamin. More vitamins. Polygon, closed curve, closed, polygon, different sides, many sides. Clear? Polygon, polyvitamin, polynomial. Polynomial means many more terms. After 3 terms, we say simply polynomial of degree. Clear? This categorization is on the basis of number of terms. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Clear? Thank you. Now, in your question 4, you are required to tell the degree of polynomial. What is degree? Highest power of variable in a polynomial is called degree. So what is degree of polynomial in first? What is? State loudly. 3. Speak in English. Speak loudly. Highest power of x is 3. Therefore, degree of first polynomial is 3. What is degree of second polynomial? 2. Variable is y whose highest power is 2. What is degree of second polynomial? Third polynomial? 1. If there is no any power on the variable, it can be treated as 1. 1 is always multiplied in any quantity. 1 is divided always in any quantity. 1 is power of all quantities. Clear? 0 is added in all quantities. 0 is subtracted from all quantities. This is understood. Clear? Sit down. Degree of third polynomial is 1. What is degree of fourth polynomial? No. What is no? No is not any number. 0. Yes. Every real number, every constant is always a polynomial of 0 degree. Clear? Because it can be written as 3 into x power 0. Clear? Sit down. Thank you. They say therefore the degree of fourth is 0. Thank you.